exclusive live radar tracking storms so you'll know first. This is WVTM 13 weather.
Tropical storm Idalia gaining strength gradually in the northwestern Caribbean Sea, expected to lift north over the coming days and move into the eastern Gulf of Mexico, where rapid intensification is not out of the question with how warm the water temperatures are here in the Gulf. Right now, official Hurricane Center forecast shows a Category 2 100-mile-an-hour hurricane just off the west coast of Florida late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning, making landfall Wednesday morning in the Big Bend region of Florida, somewhere perhaps near or just north and west of Cedar Key, and then continuing to lift to the north and east. Here's one of our forecast model animations showing that motion up to the north, offshore of Tampa, and then moving more to the north and east as a big trough of low pressure up to the north helps pull this storm that way and protects us from any direct impacts in central Alabama. So take a look at some of these wind gust estimates from one of our forecast models here. You see the areas shaded in purple just offshore of the Tampa region. We're looking at winds gusting 70, 80, 90, 100 miles an hour in some spots. But of course, if that track shifts a little farther to the east, some of those hurricane force winds will move ashore in the Tampa region, and then moving up to the north and east as it makes landfall here. That's where we're expecting the greatest impacts, not only from wind, but also storm surge impacts, a very vulnerable portion of Florida's coastline just because of the overall geography. 89 degrees outside right now, Birmingham, 91 Gadsden, 90 Centerville, 94 Tuscaloosa. Still hot, not nearly as hot as the last few days though, and we're seeing at least a couple of showers and storms developing throughout the afternoon hours. Right now, Jefferson County seeing the spotty storm coverage out there. Those will last for a couple more hours, then we're drier, it looks like, overnight tonight, although a few showers will remain possible. Much higher rain chances for tomorrow and Tuesday as a frontal boundary works in. That's going to set up those higher rain chances and bring our temperatures back down closer to average. So you can see through tonight into tomorrow, those showers and storms redeveloping, especially tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. The strongest storms that do develop heading into tomorrow, just like today, have the potential to produce some strong wind gusts. Storm Prediction Center has us outlined under a marginal level 1 risk on our scale of 1 to 5. So the storms likely tomorrow and Tuesday. Tomorrow, storms possibly impacting outdoor planes you may have in place. Then finally, we see some less humid air, slightly speaking, as we head through the second half of next week. Carrie?